Hello guys, in today's video we are going to drive around and demonstrate the swivel performance of this mount. Before getting started with the installation, we will discuss more on the mount kit. What makes this kit so unique is its design, which is based on the minimalist idea, featuring a very slim shaped mount and a back cover that gives the interior an exceptionally luxury finished design. This mount has a durability of lasting over 10 years, made with stainless, strong aluminum with a built-in thrust bearing that allows every swivel to move smoothly. The mount is guaranteed to be stable and not loose even after swiveling it 10,000 times. After installation, the screen is lowered by 1.5 inches from the original height to provide more visual comfort while driving or interacting with the screen. A frequently asked question that we receive is, will installing a swivel screen angle void my Tesla warranty? No, because such accessories are plug and play, which does not require you to cut or add any wiring to the vehicle. Therefore, it does not affect the vehicle in any way. Now let's start my timer. Before starting, we recommend using a towel to cover the center console. Then set to screen clean mode at the display tab. Now take a crowbar underneath the screen. There is a plastic panel we need to remove. We also need to take out the temperature sensor from the plastic panel. To detach from the holder from the dashboard, we need to use a 10mm socket to remove the two screws. To take out the holder that is attached to the screen, we will use a T30 Torx to unscrew the two screws. Remove the plastic part, then use a small pointed tool. Hold squeeze, then release and gently pull it out. You must be careful doing this step. Now unscrew to take out the temperature sensor from the plastic panel. Now let's get the kit. So we have the back cover. The swivel mount feels very nice and sturdy in hand. Now mount the swivel mount and press it in. We will need to screw it in tightly on both sides with the T30 Torx. We want to attach the temperature sensor to this back cover with the tiny screws from the kit. This is only for 2021 Model 3 and Model Y. For 2017 to 2020 Model 3s, just attach the temperature sensor to the back cover. Position the back cover to the back of the screen. We want to screw back the original screws on both sides. Plug in the terminal cable and attach the white plastic part. Make sure the cable is positioned correctly. Now mount the screen to the swivel mount. And use the T30 Torx to screw on both sides. Make sure to screw clean and caution with the back cover. To adjust the strength, use a T30 Torx to tighten or loosen the screw above the mount. Finally, press the back cover onto the dashboard panel and we're done. Let's look at the timer. We finished in 13 minutes, just under 15 minutes. Now let's take a look at the final result. The back cover has a luxurious finish that attaches to the dashboard and blends in very nicely with the interior. No more wrapping around the swivel mount as we see in many other mount kits. When purchasing your swivel kit, make sure to think twice before buying. Our kit is available to purchase at the link in the description below. And if you need any tools to install this swivel mount kit, you can purchase them individually at our website. The link to our website is in the description below. We highly recommend this mount for your Model 3 or Model Y due to its best quality, long-lasting durability, and price point. We also have a digital manual instruction guide for every purchase sent to your email. We offer free shipping and a 60-day money-back guarantee on your swivel mount. Lastly, if you need installation service, contact us for our nationwide installation. You could also schedule an appointment at our local installation center. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Furthermore, be sure to hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more future videos. Until then, take care!